Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And what do we do on a sunny Tuesday in Benidorm? What's not to do? Go on the beach, sunbathe, maybe take a boat trip. Or do we do what the Spanish do and peruse? Eh? That's what we do on a sunny day in Benidorm. Started off a little bit cool this morning, but the sun's come out now and it's roasting, guys. It is hot. And everybody who's anybody is out. And we're on the front and we're browsing, strolling, doing what they do here in Benidorm. Being a local, taking a stroll on the front. And I mean, you know, when you got a view like that, can't go on, can you guys? And trust me when I say it's hot. So what's the weather like where you are today? And what are you up to today? Are you having as perfect a day as this? Beautiful golden beach, beautiful sunshine, people out enjoying the sun. People waving at the camera and I haven't got the heart to say that the camera's on me. We've got boats out for boat trips, we've got jet skis out. Paraglider, parasail. So if it's a sunny day where you are, what do you do? Do you go for a walk? Do you live near a beach maybe? You can go on the beach. Catch some rays. Get frazzled. I'd say it's about 25 on the app, but it's a lot hotter than that. I'd say it's at least 30 today. It is scorching. And if you are here in Benidorm, guys, please make sure But you do put plenty of sun cream on. Wear a cap, which me lecturing, no sun cream, no cap. I know, what am I like? And then I'll be moaning later on because I'm burnt. Headlows out as well. Inside by Amelia, looking busy today. And we've got the illegal cocktail guys out. Please don't touch them because they are absolutely foul. It's like all sorts in them. Not healthy at all. And to be honest, if you can see how they're made and the man handling the fruit in them, you just wouldn't want to drink them. Just hygiene, guys. He's like, it's non-existent. If you want a cocktail, just go into one of the bars. They'll make you one. And if you want to go back down on the beach, they'll put it into a plastic cup for you. No brainer. You don't have to risk buying these one off the beach sellers, but you don't know what actually is in them. They may look nice, but trust me, they're not. And they're just going to make you very, very ill. Then again, maybe you want to risk it. Maybe you want to lose some weight. Spend the rest of the holiday on the toilet. You know, I just would not risk it. Well, you could do what I do. Went to one of the shops, got myself a slushie, just a euro. Delicious. Then we got the Simba with the splash pools on the balcony. Have you stayed here? Have you had one of the rooms with the splash pools? It's looking quite busy, but nobody in the splash pools. the library back out, but they're doing the flooring where the chess tables are. Just one lonely chess table. Oh, there's a few spread out. Oh, there's some more the other side. You can sit and read. Get the local papers as well. Another cocktail cellar. Just don't touch them, guys. They are gross. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Hit the like, hit share, hit subscribe. Because you'll be surprised how many people watch the channel, watch the videos, but aren't actually subscribed to the channel. And I'll see you on the next one.